10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you after an experience that every innovator dreads, a rocket failure. The rocket was not just a machine, it was the embodiment of my passion, hard work and vision for the future. While seeing it fail was disheartening, I want to remind myself and all of you that failure is not the end of the journey, but the part of the process. Now let's talk about what was happening. This launch failed spectacularly. The main reason behind it was the poor isolation of rocket load. The pressure in the rocket water was very huge that it blasted from the nozzle. The rocket motor and the parachute flew very high, likely 50 meters, and fall down. Other parts just blasted very badly. But the road to success is paved with challenges. Every engineer, every innovator, and every scientist knows that true innovation rarely happens without setbacks. A rocket failure is a not mark of defeat, but an opportunity to learn and improve. Through this, I now have invaluable data that will guide me towards building something stronger, safer, and more advanced. Today's failure is tomorrow's stepping stone. Each component that faltered, each miscalculation that made brings me closer to creating something remarkable. As with many pioneers before me, I embrace this moment as a crucial lesson on the path of success. Thank you for your support and belief in this journey. Let's keep moving forward. Thank you.